So today I'm going to be talking about Popplets. So what is a Popplet? A Popplet is an app that can be used in the classroom to create online thinking maps. And now with these thinking maps, you can actually add pictures and videos to them. And students can also work on Popplets at the same time from different computers or iPads. So it's sort of like Google Docs. Now, what types of thinking maps can I create using Popplet? And the answer is any kind that you want. You can create a circle map, a tree map, a bubble map, a double bubble map, a flow map, a multi-flow map, a brace map, a bridge map, a compare-contrast map, and the list goes on. Now, how can Popplet be used in the classroom? Popplet allows students to place information in diagrams instead of just writing in sentences. You can ask students to create thinking maps about what they have learned. Now, Popplet will allow students to focus on key concepts of a subject. You can also create a Popplet at the beginning of a unit with what students already know and what they expect to learn, and can compare and contrast the two Popplets. Students can also work on Popplets in groups and have in-class debates. You can also use Popplets to work on essay planning, and a teacher can use it to create a Popplet to show students the key concepts of a subject that you are going to be covering. Now here are some classroom examples that I found that I thought were interesting. Now this one teacher, she used Popplet in a math classroom setting, and on this first picture on the left, it says the answer is 98, what is the question? And in the center, it says 98, and surrounding it, there are different equations that the students have to choose from to find the right one. And on the right one, the top says different ways to show the number 15. And in the center, the student has drawn the number 15, and surrounding it, they have represented visually the number 15 in different formats. Now this second teacher is actually a kindergarten teacher, and she has incorporated Popplet to teach students how to decompose numbers visually. Now this left one, I don't think you all can see the actual number, but the number is 9, and there's some dice showing that as well. They've written the number, and they have separated that number into two sections. One is 5, and one is 4. And the second number is 10, as you can see, and there are dice showing that number as well. And they have separated that number into 5 and 5. Now this third example, the teacher had students show the phases of the moon using Popplet. And you can add pictures, like I said before, to Popplet. So they have shown the phases of the moon in picture form, and then described the phases of the moon around those pictures. And this last example is just showing how you can use Popplet to teach collaboration between your students. So these examples are really just showing how Popplet can be used in every classroom, like any grade level, and also in any subject area. And now I have a video I'm going to show you that does a really good job of showing you all how to use Popplet